central Wisconsin until 1:30 p.m. At 12:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of Belmont to near Scales Mound, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Darlington, Shullsburg, Benton, Argyle, Wheeler, New Diggings, South Wayne, Fayette, Lamont, Gratiot, Calamine, Lead Mine, Yellowstone Lake St. Park, and Woodford. People attending the Lafayette County Fair in Darlington should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.